So two of the most talked about AI coding platforms right now are Base44 and Replit, introducing Agent 3, which is its fastest and best AI platform yet. It's got app testing, agents, and automation, and runs on its own for up to 200 minutes. So let's test them side by side. Speed and first results. We're going to test design and customization, backend and integrations, pricing, and value. And by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. If you want to try Base44, you can find a link in the description below to get a free trial, which on said free trial, you can actually publish your own website or web app. Let's get started. We have our benchmark prompt that we've been feeding these no-code AI platforms to build a cozy, minimalistic habit tracker with warm colors, sign in, sign out, the ability to modify, history, and everything, and so on and so forth. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start chat right here and right here at the same time, and I'll meet you on the flip side. Timer is on, the race is on. Let's see which platform finishes faster, which platform finishes better, and if one happens to do both at the same time, then we all win. All right, so right on time. Once again, Base44 wins. We got a preview of Habit Flow, the app that we asked it to make. It's been about 5.5 minutes. Replit is still cooking a preview for us to see, not even the final project. The preview that we have for 44 is ready. You can see the colors are very, whatchamacallit. I forget what it's called, but they're very kind on the eyes. We've got little checklist right here that is pressable usually. And if you scroll down, smart tracking, progressive insights, it's very nice on the eyes, John Doe, and then create account. We're sorry to not have access. That's all we, okay, that was weird. So I've used Base44 before and it's more functional. Okay, no, we have signed in. So fixed authentication system. And okay, you see what just happened? Like, I'm going to leave this in because this was actually sort of a glitch on Base44's end and it fixed it instantly. Resolve the use effect dependency. All right, so I'm going to leave this in. You can see, very usable, very quick, very easy on the eyes, very kind, as you can say. And you go home, you're back here. Can you add a habit? Usually you can. And it can turn it into a phone app really quickly as well. You can see the activity monitors, exactly what you've done this far. You can see the files that have been used in this page. You can see all the files that have been used, and you can search for them. The app editor, you can share the app. You can open the app, the visibility of said app. There you go. And by the way, you can make visual edits by just pressing visual edit right here and changing whatever, pressing this, and then asking it to change wording. Flow, haha. You can change it. You can change colors into whatever it is that you want. There you go. And it's all very quick, very comprehensive, very easy to use. Total time, runtime right now is about 9 minutes or so. And now we have a preview, from Replit. We can see right now, build habits that spark joy. The colors are a little less favorable compared to the Base44 colors, I'm not going to lie. But then again, with these no-code platforms, you can change everything in an instant by just writing in the prompts on the left. I need to fix some critical errors before we can test the application. Let me address these authentication database issues. So it's the same issue that just happened with Base44, if we're being completely honest. But we have the base functionality. All right, let's create an account. Your app is not ready. The agent is working on it. All right, so it's the same exact problem. The database is right here. You can check it. You can check the preview that it's working on. You can invite collaborators, which is one of the strong suits of Replit and Replit's Agent 3, is that you can have your entire team work exactly where you are, pick up where you left off. So that makes it pretty comprehensive. So it's still fixing the authentication errors right here. So it is slower, I'm not going to lie. Replit is slower, but it's more of a coding sandbox. You can install packages, connect databases manually, you can host your own project, and you'll be writing and managing a lot of that yourself. As far as Base44, it's built for devs. It auto-generates APIs, manages databases, orchestrates multiple AI models, and you can even debug environments from within the platform itself. So Replit is ready. I think it edited the client pages. And can we sign in now? There you go. Now we have signed in into our web app that we've created using Replit. You can see it right here. It's pretty bare bones compared to the one that we built on Base44. But hey, it still does its job. Daily reminders. We've got the passwords. You can delete account. You can save changes. Pretty quick. I would say that it's, dare I say, it's quicker than the one that we created on Base44. So I'd say if you want back-end automation and scalability, Base44 is your pick. And if you want a flexible playground for raw coding, Replit fits better. Replit has a generous free plan, but advanced features like Ghostwriter AI and private projects are part of its Hacker and Teams Pro tiers. You get the Replit Core for $25 a month. You get the Teams one, which is $40 a month. I'd say very, very affordable. You get basic AI features. You can have 10 public apps on the free tier. Some of these don't even let you publish, but Replit lets you publish about 10. As far as Base44, it uses a credit-based system based on workflows, integrations, and message usage. It's designed more for startups and team scaling apps. You get 100 monthly credits using the starter one. The builder one is 40. Pro is 80 and Elite is 160. But you can also create and publish apps using the free tier, which you can find a link in the description below for. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to publish both apps. So let's press publish right here and press publish right here. Publish app. So you need to upgrade your plan to publish on Replit, which is not favorable, but hey, it's okay. It's their website. As far as Base44, I believe that we can publish right away using the free tier. So there we go. This is the app that we built on the free tier for Base44. Link in the description below. Pretty nice, pretty usable. You can sign in. I'm going to link it down below for you to check it out yourself. This is the preview that we built using Replit. And yeah, Replit is just better for fast coding and prototyping. Base44 is best for backend automation and scaling. If you want to try Base44, you can find a link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.